Every river has a story. A story rich in history and legacy. A legacy that made way to modern Singapore. Introducing a waterfront living in Singapore's prime district, Riviere. Developed by Frasers Property Singapore and designed by award-winning architectural firm SCDA. Riviere, an iconic development at Jiak Street, comprises of two 36-story residential towers, serviced apartments, and 3 conservation warehouses. With an excellent unit mix of layouts ranging from 1 to 4 bedroom types, Frasers Property offers hospitality services from concierge to housekeeping. The experience of living here is truly one of utmost discernment and understated luxury. Surrounded by lush greenery, Riviere enables you to enjoy spectacular views of both nature and city. Revitalize your mind and body with the serene ambiance of parks just right at your doorstep. Good education for your children is never a worry. Riviere is less than a kilometer away from reputable institutions such as River Valley Primary School and close proximity to Gan Eng Seng Secondary School, Outram Secondary School, Crescent Girls School, and Chatsworth International School. Awaken your senses with the finest amenities within the vicinity to shopping malls like Great World City, Tiong Bahru Plaza, The Central, and Valley Point Shopping Center. Riviere is also just 3 minutes drive to CTE and less than 10 minutes drive to Orchard Shopping Belt and Central Business District. Never have to rush for work with just a few minutes walk to future Havelock and Great World City MRT stations. With the convenience of the future Thomson East Coast Line, Riviere is only less than 6 MRT stops to Shenton Way, Raffles Place, and Orchard MRT stations. The night is always young after a day's work with a vibrant atmosphere around the development. Indulge in a wide selection of exquisite dining choices and network with your friends along the areas of Robertson Quay, Clark Quay, and Boat Quay. Take pleasure in the beauty of nature, serenity, and absolute privacy. Be fascinated by the cosmopolitan lifestyle by the heart of Singapore's historic and eminent river, a celebration of modernity and legacy. Riviere.